Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a sky replacement. It's going to be nice and easy. It really doesn't take too long to do this, but for the people who don't know, that's what this video is for. So let's get right into it. So for example, I'm using this photo, which I've used for a design in the past for Mobile, and just basically use the bridge part of it. But we'll use it for this example because there's a nice sky in the background that you can replace. Now you can use sky replacement for like if the lighting is bad and you kind of want to make your own lighting and stuff like that. It helps a lot with photo manipulation, stuff like that. Edit and sky replacement right here. It's right underneath auto blend layers. And then what you're going to want to do is select which sky you want. So if you want one of these, that looks actually sick, I'm not gonna lie. That's how you would do it. I mean, you can also import your own sky. So here, let me do that real quick. So yeah, you can import your own sky. You click on here, and then you import images. So you can make the sky whatever you want. And then, like, let's say you have a camera with you, and you can literally go outside, take pictures of the sky every day, and then import a bunch of different skies into the program and then use them whenever you need them, which is an awesome thing to do. If you can do that, you can also do it with your phone too, if you have like a high quality phone. So if you have like any like high-end iPhone or Samsung, you can use that and then import them to your computer and have some cooler skies if you find something dope. Now with this, you can also change the brightness of it. So here we'll go and change the brightness a bit. So that's like 19. It makes like the sunlight part brighter. It's not gonna make the entire thing brighter. And then you could change the temperature a bit. So if you want it to be more blue, you know, you could do that, and it looks kind of majestic, I guess. You could do full yellow, so it looks like, you know, an apocalypse is happening. It also affects the lighting in the picture, just a tad. Like you can see, it's like the water is a bit more blue because it's a little more on the blue side. You do this, it's a bit more yellow. But yeah, you can affect the lighting and stuff like that as well. And then you can change like the shift edge, like how much it really affects the edge of like the photo, like that's actually there minus the sky. It's like that. It's really weird looking, so I'm not gonna do that. And then you can make it fade in to your photo. But I'm just gonna keep it on the default stuff, minus the brightness. So I'll keep the brightness up, and then everything else, actually, let's see. Just gonna leave it like that, actually. And that's really how easy it is to use the sky replacement in Adobe Photoshop. It's not too hard, and you can use it in photos that you created, or you know, stock photos, or you could even do it for video games and stuff like that. I've used it for Call of Duty thumbnails and stuff like that, for when you cut out weapons. You can just cut out the sky and then replace it with something brighter and better looking. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to talk to you guys in the next video. Later.